Hey there science enthusiasts, I'm Hossein and I'm excited to have you on my channel. My goal is to help you learn about ceramics. Oh, don't get me wrong. When I say ceramics, I don't just mean dishes and tiles. Ceramics are actually used in a ton of different industries, from household items to high-tech gadgets like solar cells. So if you're curious about how they're made and what they're used for, stick around. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts with me in the comments. So let's get started. To begin, it is important to understand the definition of ceramics. Ceramics are classified as inorganic non-metallic solids. This broad category encompasses various compositions such as metal oxides, carbides, nitrides, clays, and glasses, which are utilized in specific applications. Ceramic materials can be classified into two primary categories: traditional ceramics and advanced ceramics. Traditional ceramics comprise likes of houseware, dishes, tiles, and sanitary ceramics, while advanced ceramics encompass engineering ceramics like refractories and abrasive tools, bioceramics, and optical and electrical ceramics, among others. You may have noticed that there are some general properties which are shared by the majority of ceramics. To name some of these properties, first we have to consider chemical bonds. Ceramics possess robust covalent and ionic bonds, which endow them with some unique qualities. Ceramics exhibit several notable properties, including exceptional hardness, which makes them suitable for use as abrasive or wear-resistant coatings. Additionally, ceramics have a high melting point, rendering them appropriate for high-temperature applications such as furnace refractory linings and turbine blades. However, ceramics are prone to cracking due to their brittleness and inability to tolerate plastic deformation. Their compressive strength is generally higher than their tensile and impact strength. Ceramics also function well as electrical and heat insulators and can be modified to serve as semiconductors. I'm going to explain more about semiconductors and solar cells thoroughly in a subsequent course, so stay tuned if you're willing to learn more about them. The production of many ceramic goods usually starts with a powder. The powder itself could have been either synthesized or extracted from mines and processed to achieve the desired particle size and purity. Various shaping methods can be utilized to fabricate ceramic parts. These methods include different types of casting, extruding, granulation, and other means, each having their own advantages and disadvantages. Next comes drying. The elimination of water from the articles may cause severe damages in this step, mostly due to the shrinkage, thus affecting the final quality of the product. Therefore, the drying step must be done with great care. Lastly, the products must undergo a sintering process that involves firing them at a high temperature for them to strengthen. This was a brief introduction to ceramics. In other videos, I discuss each step in more detail. If you have learned something new from this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Thank you for being eager to learn. See you soon.